Sound story, eggs for everyone. Snake loved eggs more than anything. Every day he'd slither around, his little eyes gleaming, searching for eggs to eat.
Egg!
He'd hiss happily, cracking them open with glee. But his best friends, Inky the mouse and Bee the bumblebee, had a different favorite treat. Chocolate eggs. Inky would nibble with her tiny teeth, and Bee would buzz excitedly, enjoying every sweet bite. One bright morning, Snake spotted a big shiny egg. He cheered.
Egg!
His tail trembling with excitement. He cracked it open. Surprise! It was filled with chocolate. His eyes widened. At first, Snake thought about eating all the chocolate eggs by himself, but then he remembered his friends Inky and Bee, who loved chocolate. He thought,
if I call them, I might not have enough for myself, since I'd need to share. But eating alone won't be as fun as eating with my friends.
so he decided to share.
Let's enjoy this egg together.
Snake hissed. And so they all happily munched, sharing the tasty treat under the shimmering leaves. Moral of the story.
Sharing makes every treat sweeter. When we let others enjoy what we have, our hearts grow as big as an elephant's. And that's the best treat of all.
Eh.